Children, last class I told you how to convert percentage into fraction, percentage into decimal. So in that case, as in the question percentage sign was given, so percent means divide by 100. You have divided by 100 to find out the fraction and decimal number. Today I'll discuss how to convert the fraction into percentage or decimal into percentage, the reverse process. So let us first discuss how to convert fraction into percentage. Let us take one example. Convert 4 by 5 into percentage. Okay, 4 by 5 को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है. You see in the question percent sign is not there. हमें परसेंट लाना है. So children, just remember what is percentage. Percentage means a fraction whose denominator is 100 is called as percentage. पर यहाँ देखो ये fraction में the denominator is not 100. So in any way, if we can convert this fraction into a new fraction whose denominator is 100, it will automatically be converted into percentage. तो हम कैसे convert करेंगे? 4 by 5. We can find one equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 whose denominator is 100. So how to convert? हमें यहाँ नीचे 100 लाना है. How do you get? 5 into 20. 5 20 is 100. So if 20 is multiplied to the denominator, 20 will also be multiplied to the numerator. So 24 is 80 by 25 is 100. Now you see this is a fraction whose denominator is 100. So denominator 100 हो गया तो ये percentage. So how much percent? 80%. So the answer is 80%. Second method is, और एक तरीके से भी निकाल सकते हो. That one is very simple. For whatever fraction is given, you multiply that fraction with 100%. Don't forget to write this percent क्योंकि हमें percent sign लाना है. So 100% से हम multiply करेंगे. So percent लाना है तो last में percent लिख दो. Then what is remaining here? 4 by 5 into 100. Now cancel. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 24s are 80%. So this is the answer. You can use any of the two methods to find out the percentage. Children, one more thing let me tell you. If you have been given with a fraction whose denominator is suppose 3. Suppose your question is 4 by 3. So 3 तो 100 में convert नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि 3 के टेबल में 100 आता नहीं है. So for this fraction you don't use this method 1, you can use the method 2. So जो भी fraction है उससे 100% से multiply करो. तो ये तो कटेगा नहीं इससे. So answer will be 400 by 3% and you can change into mixed number. Okay. Now second example, convert 2 whole 3 by 4 into percentage. Same way, convert it into improper fraction 11 by 4. So I am using the second method, multiply by 100. So you can also use the first method, like 4 को 100 में बदलना है. So 4 into 25, 11 into 25. So in that way also you can do. I am using the second one. Whatever question is there, I will multiply with 100%. So percent की जगह पे percent. 4 cancel. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So 11 into 25 is 275%. अगर first method भी करो तो भी that will be like this. 4 into 25, 11 into 25. Same 275 by 100. This is 275%. Same. Next one is convert decimal into percentage. Same way. Convert 0.3 into percentage. You see percentage sign is not there. We have to bring percent. So multiply this decimal number into 100%. 0.3 into 100%. So percent की जगह पे percent. You see 2 zeros are there. Point will shift 2 places towards right. 1, 2. Point will come here. This will be filled by 0. So it is 30.0 means 30%. Second, convert 0.08 into percent. So write 0.08 into 100%. Don't forget to write the percent. So percent sign, then point shift 2 places towards right. So after 8 point is there, so it is only 8%. Children, remember, don't write percent mean by 100 here. Percent लाना है तो उसे रखोगे वहीं. Then the third one is convert whole number into percentage. So if the question is convert 8 into percentage, so 8 into 100%. So 8 into 100 is 800%. then 15 convert 15 into percentage, so 15 into 100% is 1500%. So children, remember two tricks I have told you in the last class. If percentage sign is there in the question and you have to convert it into fraction or decimal number, so you have to divide by 100. But if in the question percent sign is not there, देखो कहीं भी परसेंट साइन है नहीं, बट यू हैव टू ब्रिंग द परसेंटेज साइन, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. परसेंट है हटाना है तो बाय 100, परसेंट नहीं है लाना है तो इनटू 100. Now I'll discuss some word problems of percentage. First one, Rima scored 40 marks out of 50 in her maths test. Find the percentage of marks scored by her. See, in this question, you know the marks. Rima scored 40 out of 50. Total marks is 50. Then you have to find the percentage of marks. See, in the question, percentage sign is not there. You have to find the percentage. So as we have already discussed, how to find the percent? You should know a fraction. Fraction अगर जान लोगे, you can convert that fraction into percentage. So here, to find the percentage of marks, you should know the fraction of marks scored by her. So what is the fraction of marks? कितने में से कितना लाई है? 40 out of 50. So 40 out of 50 means 40 by 50. Fraction पता चल गया marks का. So after knowing the fraction, you can convert the fraction into percentage by multiplying with 100%. So how do you solve it? First you write total marks is 50. Rima scored 40. Then you have to find the percentage of marks she scored is, first you write the fraction of marks. Fraction is 40 by 50, यानी 50 में से 40 लाई है, so 40 by 50. फिर परसेंट में लाना है, so into 100%. Then when you solve it, 51 जा 52 जा, then 40 into 2 is 80%. So Rima scored 80% मार्क्स. दैट मीन्स जब यहाँ परसेंटेज निकालना हो मार्क्स का, सो पहले मार्क्स का फ्रैक्शन निकाल के फिर 100% से इंटू करो. नेक्स्ट वन इज, in the month of April, a school worked for only 24 days. What is the percentage of working days? So here you have to find the percentage of working days. So to find the percentage of working days, you should know the fraction of working days. So how many days are there which are working? 24. Out of how many days? Out of days are not given, but you know the month of April. April has 30 days. That means out of 30 days, 24 are working days. So fraction is 24 by 30. So after knowing the fraction, you can multiply with 100% to find the percentage of working days. So the statements are, number of days in April is 30. Number of working days is 24. Percentage of same working days is, fraction is 24 by 30 into 100%. After cancellation, we will get the percentage of working days is 80%. Children, if in the same question, the question would have been, what is the percentage of non-working day? यानी कितने दिन काम नहीं हुआ है उसका percentage निकालना होता, तो कैसे करते? Same here, after finding the percentage of working days, अगर 100 में से 80 days काम हुए हैं, 100 में से क्यों? क्योंकि 80% है. सो व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ नॉन वर्किंग डे? 100 माइनस 80, 20%. सो याद रखो, जिसका नंबर है उसी का परसेंटेज निकलेगा. जैसे वर्किंग डेज है तो उसको सॉल्व करोगे, सो वर्किंग डे का परसेंटेज. नॉन वर्किंग डे का परसेंटेज के लिए you should know the fraction for non-working day. That also you can find out in other way. जैसे number of working days is 24. What is the number of non-working days? 24 है, तो बाकी बचा कितना? 30 minus 24 is 6. Out of how many days? 30. So this is the fraction of non-working days. Fraction मिल गया into 100%. So 0 cancel means 10 3s are 30, 10 10s are. So then 3 1s are 3 2s are 10 2s are 20% is the percentage of non-working day. So दो तरीके से निकाल सकते हो. Okay. Then third question, in an orchard there are 250 trees. 175 of them are apple trees. Find the percentage of apple trees. So again, to find the percentage of apple trees, you should know the fraction of apple trees. So fraction of apple trees के लिए number of apple trees you should know. So वो है So total number of trees is 250, number of apple trees is 175. To find the percentage of apple trees, देखो जिसका नंबर है उसी का परसेंट निकलेगा. So what is the fraction of apple trees? कितने में से कितना? 175 out of 250 means 175 by 250. Then fraction into 100%. So after cancelling you will get 70%. So percentage of apple trees is 70%. सिमिलरली अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में अगर पूछा होता कि रिमेनिंग आर ऑरेंज ट्रीज एंड फाइंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑरेंज ट्रीज, तो परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑरेंज ट्रीज के लिए कैसे निकालोगे? After finding the percentage of apple trees 70%, you can subtract 100 minus 70, 30% is orange trees. इस तरह से निकाल सकते हो. Otherwise 250 minus 175 is 75 is the number of orange trees. Then fraction of orange trees is 75 by 250. Then into 100% you can get 30%.